Creamy buttery mashed potatoes, hot. Ingredients: 1.5 kilograms or 3 pounds potatoes, peeled and cut into 2.5 centimeters or inch cubes. 1 tablespoon of salt for cooking. Flavorings: 60 grams or 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, chopped. Half cup of milk, preferably warm. Half a teaspoon of salt. Garnish: extra melted butter. Chives or parsley, chopped. In a large pot, add 1 tablespoon of salt, then water so it's 10 centimeters or 4 inches above potatoes. Bring to a boil over a high heat, then reduce the heat so it's simmering rapidly. Cook for 15 minutes or until potatoes are very soft. Drain them well and return them into the pot. Leave them for 1 minute and shaking the pot every now and then to encourage the water to evaporate. Add the flavorings and then mash well, using the milk to loosen it to desired texture. Don't use a blender, but you can use a handheld mixer, but be cautious. Stop as soon as it's creamy. Transfer to serving bowl, make pretty swirls across the top and drizzle over butter. Sprinkle with chives, then serve.